how to display the full path in the title bar of File Explorer. Need quicker navigation and better control over your files? Displaying the full path in your File Explorer title bar can make a real difference. We'll show you the steps in this video. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Method 1. File Explorer Options. The fastest and safest way to enable full path display is through File Explorer Options. Here's how to do it. Open File Explorer or press Win+E. Click the View tab, go to Options, and select Change Folder and Search Options. In the pop-up window, go to the View tab again. Scroll down and check the box for Display the full path in the title bar. Click Apply and then OK. If the change doesn't appear immediately, close and reopen File Explorer. Method 2. Registry Editor. For advanced users, the Registry Editor offers more control, but caution is key. Always back up your registry and create a restore point before making any changes. Start by pressing Wind+R, typing regedit, and clicking OK. Navigate to this path: H key, current user, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, Explorer, cabinet state. Right-click the right pane and select New String Value. Name it Full Path and set its value to 1. Restart Windows Explorer to apply the changes. Method 3. Command Prompt. If you prefer using Command Prompt, you can enable the full path setting with a simple command. First, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Then paste and run this command. Remember to relaunch File Explorer afterward. Troubleshooting tips. Not seeing the full path even after these steps? Here's what to check. Ensure the setting is actually saved in File Explorer Options. Use Task Manager to restart File Explorer or reboot your system entirely. If you use the registry, confirm the key name and value are correct, then restart your computer. Frequently asked questions. Finally, here are some common questions about full path display. How do I go back to showing only the folder name? Uncheck the same setting in Folder Options. Will this affect performance? Not at all. It only changes the title bar display. Can I apply this to specific folders? Not natively. You'd need a third-party tool, but use only trusted sources. Whether you're managing deep folder structures or just want more clarity, enabling the full path in File Explorer is a simple step with big benefits. For more information, check out our official blog post on showing the full File Explorer path in the title bar, linked in the description below.